Good morning. My name is Trupti Vinod Bhale. I am studying in BSc third year and from Indira Gandhi Kalam Mahavidyalaya, Raiga. My seminar topic is particle in one dimensional box. Consider a particle of mass m moving along x-axis in region bounded by perfectly rigid wall. Inside the box, the particle can move freely and its potential energy can be taken as zero, and since the particle is within the taken within the box, potential energy is infinite is zero, and potential energy is infinite at the boundary condition at outside the wall. Therefore, the potential function is defined as Vx is equal to 0 and Vx is equal to infinity. Since the potential at the walls and outside is the infinite region is inaccessible to the particle and wave function corresponding the particle must vanish at the walls. Psi of x is equal to 0 at x is equal to 0 and psi of x is equal to 0 at x is equal to L. These are the boundary conditions. The squatting time independent equation for motion of a particle inside the box can be written as s cross 2m d square psi upon dx square plus e minus v high is equal to 0. This is equation 3. Since inside the box potential energy is equal to 0, this equation written as d square psi upon dx square plus 2m s upon s cross square is high is equal to 0, or d square psi upon dx square plus k square psi is equal to 0, where d 2m e square me upon h cross square is equal to k square this is equation 6. Solution of this equation is the form of psi x is equal to a sin k z plus k z into x plus b cos k z into x is equal this is equation 7, where a and b are constants and their values can be determined from boundary conditions. Since particle is enclosed within the walls, the particle can not outside the box because it experiences infinite potential at the walls and outside thus the boundary conditions are psi x is equal to 0 at x is equal to 0 and psi x is equal to 0 at x is equal to L. This is equation 8. Applying the first boundary condition in equation 7. Now that is x is equal it's psi 0 is equal to 0 at x is equal to 0, or a 0 is equal to a sin kx into 0 plus b cos kx into 0, or b is equal to 0. Therefore, equation 7 can be written as psi is equal to a sin kx into x. Applying second boundary condition, that is psi x is equal to 0 at x is equal to L. Psi L is equal to 0 is equal to a sin kx into L. Since a is not equal to 0, we must have sin kx into L is equal to 0. Kx into L is equal to n pi is equal to n where n is equal to 1, 2, 3 x dash dash, or kx is equal to n pi upon L. This is equation 11. Therefore, the general solution of equation 5 can be written as psi x is equal to a sin n pi upon L into x. From equation 6, we can write the expression for the energy of a particle as h. Therefore, the general solution of equation 5 can be written as psi x is equal to a sin n pi upon L x into x. From equation 6 can be written the expression from the energy of a particle as E is equal to h cross square upon into k square upon 2m is equal to h cross square upon 2m into n square upon n square into pi square upon L square. E is equal to h cross square upon 2m into pi square upon L square into n square. N is equal to 1, 2, 3 dash dash dash. E n is equal to h cross square upon 2m into pi square upon L square n into n square is equal to h square upon dm at m L square into n square. This is equation 12. The energy of a particle depends on the integer n. This equation shows that the particle has a discrete energies or restricted values of energies, that is, the energy level values are quantized. The discrete value of energy are called energy levels, and integer n is called quantum number. According to classical mechanics, the lowest value of energy is obtained when n is equal to 1 and is called as ground state energy. The value of Schrödinger equation can be written as psi is equal to a sin n pi L into x. If normalized condition is used, we get the value of a is equal to 2 square root 2 upon L. Hence, the wave function corresponding the energy eigenvalues En can be written as psi n is equal to 2 square root of 2 upon L sin n pi upon 2L upon L into x. This is equation 3. Equation 12 gives eigenvalue, and equation 13 gives the eigenfunction of Schrödinger's equation of a particle is one-dimensional potential box.